Alright, so in this video we're just going to be swapping out your pins and springs for your CR250 foot pegs. I have aftermarket foot pegs that require a special spring. I got this kit from DRC, and these springs are obviously just not going to work at all. So I have to continue to use these springs, but that's fine. The whole reason why I bought the kit is because these guys are getting old. So we're going to run these guys. Brand new. The kit comes with a new backup washer and your cotter pins. It comes with everything you need. It's actually a really, really good kit. So, needless to say, let's go slap this bad boy back on. Alright, so let's put the foot peg on. We have our spring set up on our foot peg, and it's just going to set right in place. You might have to push and bend the foot peg to get the pin in place. Sits flush. You will have to have your brake pedal out of the way to be able to do this, and now it's in the way again, so I'm just going to lift it up and out of the way. You have your washer on the bottom and your cotter pin. If I can get it in the hole. This is probably why I don't have kids. I'll be damned, it fell right out of the hole. Maybe she's just got a big old gash in her. I'm just using channel locks as the thing I grabbed. It was closest by. It's not doing a very good job. There we go. Got the bend started. Smash that side down. I think it just shot something in my eye. Fantastic. This is my fucking year. This year has been terrible on me. Whatever. I go blind, I go blind. Off to Colorado. Humane euthanasia. I'm going to spin it around. For fuck's sake, I have had way too much. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Might take some finesse. It folded the other way, so I'm just going to smash it the other way. Whatever, it's going to hold that washer in place. It's going to keep the foot peg there. Now, if your foot peg does not do this, you did it incorrectly. Try again. But let's see if I can get a video of this. See how the spring rests on this guide, and with the aftermarket foot peg, the Flow Motorsports, it rests on the actual foot peg itself. For the stock ones, it just rests up against it. There you go. Well, removal. I didn't do a video on removal, but there you go. New foot pegs. And they're fucking sweet. Good job, Flow. You guys do a good job.